it's Krista with WTI. Are you that person that loves a jumbo cupcake or muffin, but really hates to get your fingers sticky? Well, the QLSmypkg large tulip muffin liners are just the product to keep your fingers nice and clean while you enjoy your snack. Just because you're an amateur baker doesn't mean that your desserts need to be presented that way. You're gonna love the 3 elegant tones that these muffin liners come in. They just complement any frosting or design you'd like to add to your muffin or cupcake. These tulip liners are the perfect complement to the jumbo muffin pans I have. They fit perfectly into the tins and they save me so much time when it comes time for cleanup. The muffin pan is practically spotless when I remove them. So whether you're looking for convenience, elegance, or that hygienic factor that will keep your hands nice and clean as you enjoy a muffin, you're gonna love these tulip baking cups. And that's my point of view.